Welcome to Kareem I Can Read. Today I'm going to be reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. I Can Read. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccups? Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do I stop my hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stand on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, said Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete stand on one foot. He hop up and down. Hiccups, hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hop up and down. He sing a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, said Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, said Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do you stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete take a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete held his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete acts. That's it, said Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. I like this book because it have colors in it, and I like the pictures, and I like the grass. Thank you. Goodbye.